See the people who don't make me believe it for real. Vybz Kartel lock up in a jail and I get interview from Fox TV offering where some people out the road and can't get interview. We are going to talk about it and listen to my interview. Listen to me. Don't ramp with the thing because them all get stamped with the thing. It's Rastafari soldier. Greetings, greetings, and salutations to all nations. Ladies and gentlemen, you know I'm Rastafari soldier of Deep Roots TV, and if this is your first time tuning in, hit that red subscribe button, and the Rasta man is going to have a great relationship with you. Look here, people, I swear, the lake get muddier every day. Listen, Vybz Kartel pop up on my internet, on Fox News. Me no understand how this a youth here make so much music, so much tune, and all I get worldwide interview overseas. People, make me know what go on here. Am I the real world boss? Or what is going on to Ross? Now listen, me have a little clip of the interview on the Fox News. Oh, you can hear what I want.
Speaking out for the first time since being arrested 10 years.
May I go push it, talk a phone so you can pick it up. Listen.
International dancehall superstar Vybz Kartel has been behind bars for nearly a decade.
And that they say?
He claims he did not commit, locked away deep inside a Jamaican prison.
No prisoner do no crime, people.
But it seemed impossible. Then one night I got a surprising call. Adija Palmer, better known as Vybz Kartel, was on the line, wanting to set the record straight.
Surprisingly. You see it. I did it on the phone now, people. So I don't want to listen up right now.
An incredibly prolific artist in the dancehall reggae genre who's managed to dominate the music scene despite being locked down.
Yeah.
He's a charismatic entertainer whose nickname World Boss hints at the respect he's given on the streets.
Well, it look like him a real world boss to us, cause him man in a prison and I put out more album and tune than people where they are road. How them do that? Only in Jamaica. Listen where I say now, people. Listen.
To the highest court in the UK will determine he was convicted based on falsified phone evidence. A lot is on the line. He could be a free man by 2022 or an inmate for 30 or more years.
Okay.
That's enough to send anyone into depression.
Oh.
But not Vybz Kartel.
Not the world boss.
Yes. As you look around the cell that you're in right now, can you describe for us what that looks like?
It's dark. It's hot.
Listen, what kind of idiot question that the woman asked the boss? If you're looking at a cell in a third world country, what you want him to say? Two girls swing on the pole on a fool? Listen to the world boss, man. Me over the world boss. I say, can me have some commentary me want?
It's got a toilet in the corner.
Okay, them have toilet in there.
Huge grills. Lots of metal. It's like a dungeon, but it's...
Oh! Jamaican government deal with you well. It's like a dungeon, him say. But me know see a lie you tell, because you just get moved to a new prison.
Instead of being in the cellar, it's in the attic. I'm actually in the roof.
I can hear the smiling in your face, how you lie, you laugh then now, so you give to them.
And physically, a lot of people would find that hard to believe.
Yeah, because I was sick for a few years, so definitely I'm recovering physically, but mentally I've always been in a good place.
Oh, you mean you not worry about nothing because you know say all of Jamaica love the Gaza, especially the man them were in a prison, so you're going at one of the safest place in the world, because a bad man Jamaica respect, a bad man Jamaica rate.
Because I know I'm innocent and I know I'm coming out.
Lie. Me know you come out to because me tell them long time say at 10 years you do, because they're gonna release you on a technicality about tampering with evidence. From me touch the phone without a gloves, the phone get tamper. You take man for fall. You shouldn't get the charge up of Florida like place like Tampa. And me don't see if you don't get away with it.
Really believe that?
Yeah, of course I believe.
How you mean if you believe it? We don't say Vybz Kartel a big criminal. Any man will bleach out in face and sing them a wicked violent tune, a real big criminal, and him is in the criminal syndicate, one of the #1 criminal syndicate called Jamaica. When you're in the Jamaican legal system and you're a multi-millionaire and you get convicted for murder, me not talk about thief, me not talk about rape or nothing like that. Murder! And you've been to multiple appeals and you get convicted, and now you still get things like phone interview of foreign. And where the Rastafari is, are you a running thing and a brown god? Me think I did you.
And to be totally honest, the system really wanted me thrown away.
Oh, you mean that you know garbage? I want to them blood clot, man.
It was never about me being charged for a murder. It was about getting rid of Vybz Kartel.
Damn right, we want to get rid of the bleacher. We want to get rid of the teacher where teach the youths them lewd and lascivious and violent things in the class. We want to fire you. And the only thing we couldn't do was to just jar you up on a charger. Because we know you have something to do with Clive Lizard Johnson. That. We know it.
Khadija Palmer, the person.
Why do you say the system is out to get you?
Because they told us, they say we have too much influence.
Yeah?
If you remember when Movado and I had that little feud a few years ago.
Yeah, remember, we remember when enough people are dead.
Which is like the home of the Prime Minister.
Yeah, we remember when enough people are dead, brother.
Oh, we're leading the kids astray and
You are, you were, and you still are.
shows and stuff like that. So it has always been about the influence that Vybz Kartel has.
The dancehall music genre, like gangster rap, does not shy away from lyrics that talk about guns and street
Wicked
violence.
man thing, wicked man thing. And that them talk about shy away.
Up in prison.
That's a good question. That's why I said I'm more mentally in a better place because I read a lot. I watch movies, I listen to music. And
Yeah. You hear that, people?
cool people that we can talk about stuff. You know, good friends along the way. So that's how I spend my time.
A lot of songs come out.
That sound like a vacation to me,
How
people.
many songs have you written during this last decade that you've been behind bars?
Lots of songs I can't even count. At one point, I was sending out like 3-4 books a month.
Aye. And that uno taxpayers money I pay for.
When I get visits.
For make boy get visit and write book and send out paper.
Released, maybe in the span of my career, but you know, I just keep writing and writing. It makes me better.
Are you concerned that the conditions there are going to impact your health?
I want to do that bumbo clot white girl here, man. First of all, I want to know how a white girl get blood clot Vybz Kartel on the phone. You are going to tell me want Jamaican government for looking at this, because right now this a piss me off. This is say one boy was charged for murder. I put out pay tune and I make pay album. Me I cut off that. Me not listen to more of the interview. Me I go read this to you. See? Because Dancehall magazine are looking at what me are looking at. You are going to tell me I read this for you. Jamaican authorities have launched a multi-agency probe into the circumstances surrounding how the incarcerated dancehall superstar Vybz Kartel called into an interview that was broadcast on Fox 5 New York in the United States last night. Kartel attorney at law Isat Buchanan told DancehallMag today, I don't understand all this hype about the probe. It's ridiculous. The interview predates the movement from Spanish Town to Horizon, Remand, and all this is just sensationalism and oopsie-daisy commosery business for nationwide. The agreement and agenda is to probe in. He said it's ridiculous. Nationwide Radio first reported that the probe will be, spearheaded by the Department of Corrections Service, the Ministry of National Security, inspections, and several law enforcement agencies. According to the radio station, the investigation will attempt to verify, authenticate, or check the voice of the time that it was here on Fox interview. In many situations like this, I be a hoopla them a chat because I fuck with them a talk about right now. You are going to everybody knows that Adia record from jail. Everybody knows that them call you come from jail. And Issa, you see through your big you're gonna get a wicked debt because you there I try different one look up bleach out non-soul called boy we done dash way melanated and his identification affiliation with the African people them. After I'm done tell the youth them to kill off each other and the girl them to go whore out and bleach out himself and catch all a criminal crime, a charge, and them there go around the government. For how long and the government know him a go around them. When they take man for fool, they must say in May, the dancehall artist whose real name is Adidja Palmer was transferred from the St. Catherine Adult Correction Center to the Horizon Remand Center in Kingston as part of a government plans to move high-value criminal to the newly 24 constructed cell at the Horizon Remand. The new cell were designed to curtail the access of cell phone, which is an contraband in the Jamaican prison system. The probe will reportedly try to ascertain whether, despite additional security being assessed to cartel prison cell at Horizon Center a few months ago, the mobile phone was smuggled into the cell, and everybody knows how that go on. See him counterpede there, him #1 student in a jail right now for possession of a illegal firearm with the body of Roy Fowl Planet and Father Wally British. So listen to me. The seed now fall far from the tree. As the following, the prison transfer cartel usually active Instagram account went silent for over 2 months until Born for This album was released on August 6th. In March 2020, cartel reportedly faced sanction after allegedly joining an Instagram live held by the producer Russian. Soon after the stunt, Department of Correctional Service had run in upon him, right, and then released a statement that identified cartel's cell as one of the one that was raided, and contrabands were found and removed. Yesterday was word that was spread across the nation that Fox News 5 interview Gaza fans were excited about the whole world boss to hear what world boss would say. The emergency singer revealed that Fox 5 Lisa Everts, while white woman that may I try to figure out how this white woman been intricately interested in cartel so much. A lie. Oh no, lie. The emerging singer, Isat Buchanan have a connection in there because in the first me see him connect on Fox News. I try garner international attention to this criminal, this murderous youth, this bleak face youth, this wicked murderer, this sellout of the Jamaican and African culture. You are guaranteed. Now, it says that Lisa Everts, that he was, he told Lisa Everts that he was in a better place mentally because he is convicted that he's convinced that he is going to be free because he was wrongly incarcerated. Yeah, because I was sick for a few years, cartel say, so definitely I am recovering physically, but mentally I've always been in a good place. You hear what I say? Him always in a good place because I jail him there. Criminal crime. See my 42 pan him here, that means a 4 body job already. When I go on like say I don't know this thing. From you see a boy a bleach out and a tattoo. Them swimming in the mud. Me not rate them. Yeah, but me could pick up on them say, yeah, because I was sick for a few years. So definitely I'm recovering physically, but mentally I've always been in a good place. Because I know I'm innocent and I know I'm coming out, he said. Of course, we know you're coming out. Me don't say you come out in 10 years because that's how Jamaicans do it. Because from you pick up a phone and touch it without no gloves, it's tampering. And from the local idiot police, they make a one call upon it, it's over. The world boss who's serving life sentence for the murder of Clive Williams anticipated that this conviction will be overturned by the United Kingdom based on Judicial Committee on the Privy Council. Yeah, and that's your thing, say Andrew Wallace, the bro God go jump on it. You think him not feeling the Privy Council power one? Listen to this, bleach short face worm. God save the Queen, because she is the only one who can save me now, Vybz Kartel jokingly said during the interview. You see, and that you know, people are just like countries. They ally with whoever they think them can get something from. Me want you to be dead in a jail. Me I tell you, me always I take people that you murder man. Even if you not murder Clive Williams, Lizard Williams, you think like you get killed because of your Vybz Kartel? You're a real fool. You start well, like you said, but you're gonna end bad. Even if you come out of jail, you think say yard man forget. There's many that you make see their death. You're lucky. And one of the best thing happen to your Vybz start well. You go to prison. The second part of the interview here tonight, Fox News, me nah watch it. Because when me did want to come out of this, is the government investigating your perpetuous illegal activities. Even when you're in a jail, you break the law to rascal. Then you have to say you're a gangster. Think you a mobster? See, you think you're a crime family? It not gonna work. We are change up the economy. Ladies and gentlemen, you know I'm Rastafari soldier of the Approach TV. Let me be the first to be blazing fire upon the bleach face full. Vybz start well and end bad. See there, the government catch up on him again. The boy go do an interview with Fox News out of New York while in a prison. And cellular phone or a contraband. And him lying, bald head, Rasta lawyer a chat about it done during transition. Even if it was done at the other cell, it's still illegal because it's a contraband. Me done. Them boy have to get banned off our radio, banned off our internet. But guess what? Jamaicans like to perpetuate illegality. A bleach face retarded, mercury loving, foul, a badness him want. So we send him a bad school. He called prison. Me a take out me pick me out of your school teacher. You take man for foul. You a real bleacher. I DJ the eater, freaker, tattoo face bleacher. You can't love your melanin. You lose your authentication of Africanism. Fall. And I look at he that fool them or bleach out him face and a run back for a bill. You just create a cesspool of swimmers. Yeah, when I first known trans youths, your Vybz start well, you're gonna end bad. You think I look at mother and father and sister and brother cry because of what you do? You keep doing it. Even when you know the influence you have, you keep doing it. Me not feel sorry for you. You say, listen, you can't get shunshun in prison. And I saw me prove say you're a fish. You make sure you go up on prison. Say you can't get no shunshun. Swim around bleach face. Subscribe, like and share and leave your comment. Cause Rasta speak the truth. Me not care about boy with cute. And sing down in them short. And bleach out them skin. From your bleach your skin, me burn you out. Take man for fall.